In the past 7 days, in just one of our Amazon seller accounts, we've done £5,218 in sales by simply reselling products we bought from other retailers back onto Amazon for a profit. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact steps that I always follow to ensure that every product that we purchase ends up in a profit. Now, every step that I'm going to be explaining here is absolutely crucial and is the product of my own experience having sold on Amazon since 2013. So let's get started with step one. Okay, so step one, we need to decide where we're going to be buying our products from. Essentially, we have two different choices. One is called retail arbitrage, and that's where we buy our products from physical stores. We look for products there that we can purchase and resell on Amazon for a profit. Or we can take the second version, which is called online arbitrage, which is where we can do it from anywhere in the world, from the comfort of our own home, on a beach in Mexico if you want to, using a laptop, and find these products that you can resell for a profit on Amazon. So step one, decide where you're going to buy your products from. Are you going to go online or are you going to go offline? Are you going to go online arbitrage or retail arbitrage? Pick one of those two or do a combination of the two. Step two, we want to decide what types of products we're going to be selling and in which categories. So the best thing that we can do for this is to do a little bit of research and head over to Amazon.com. Go to the bestseller section. So if I just head back to the homepage here, you'll see there's a button that says bestsellers. So what we're going to be able to see here is a breakdown of the top 100 best-selling products in every single category on Amazon's website. So just imagine what that would be like to be able to know exactly what is selling in volume right now on the Amazon platform. Go looking for those products from other retailers that you can buy at a lower price and resell them back on Amazon for a profit. So just combing through here, we can see bestsellers in kitchen and dining. We've got bestsellers in clothing, shoes and jewelry, toys and games, electronics, grocery and gourmet food, cell phones and accessories, and a whole lot more. There's a huge amount of categories that we can have a look through down here on the left-hand side. Step three, we want to find a source, a place that we can actually buy these products from. So here I am on Best Buy's website. I'm just going to show you quickly how we go about actually finding some profitable opportunities on this website. So imagine there are millions and millions of online retailers that we could potentially visit, but Best Buy, it's one of the best known out there, so we'll get started with that. So what we tend to do is find on these websites a sales section where it says deals or clearance or something like that, and we can see right here it says outlet deals, clearance, open box and more. So we don't want open box because we only like to sell new items that we buy from retailers, but essentially we can go into this section and then start having a look through. Here we go, we have the clearance deals. We can see some of the products that are available at heavy discount right now. So I'm not necessarily looking for larger products, but we'll talk about that in the next step. But essentially what we want to do is comb our way through clearance and deal section, find low price products and compare them to Amazon. Step four, once we've found a product that looks like it fits the bill, then we go and look it up on Amazon and we perform our analysis. But there are a couple of things that I'll just tell you before we go over and have a look at the analysis. So we typically like products that are smaller and lightweight. That way we can fit more into a box because we utilize Amazon's FBA service where Amazon will store, pick, pack, and ship these products from their fulfillment center on our behalf, which is why I'm saying it can be location independent. You can run this business from Thailand and be selling on to Amazon US. So it doesn't matter where you're based in the world, this will be an option for you. So we like small, lightweight products that we can pick up for a reasonably low cost. We don't really want to be going less than sort of $10, but this here, we can save $40. It was $59.99. We can pick it up right now for $19.99. It's a PlayStation 5 game, so it's only a very, very small, lightweight product. So what we do is we grab the title for this product, we copy it, and then we open up an Amazon tab and we look for the listing. Now, I've already gone ahead and done the research and matched this up to this listing here. So we actually have a tool on our browser called BuyBot Pro. It's like a profit analysis tool that's going to help us to essentially pull back the curtain on any product that we look up on Amazon and see how many times per month the product is selling, how much profit we'd be able to make if we were to resell it, how much Amazon's going to be charging us for their fees and all that kind of good stuff. So let's take a quick walk through and look at some of these bits here. So first off, on the right-hand side, we have our profit calculator. So let's just tell BuyBot Pro how much we can buy the product for. Now what's going to happen over here on the left-hand side, this just needs to do a little bit of maths behind the scenes, work out Amazon's fees. We're telling it that we can sell it for $54.49, which is the buy box price. It's how much is currently being charged for this product on Amazon's website right here, right now. So $54.49. So we could make a profit for every single one of these that we sell. Please bear in mind, we could buy multiples of these. We make $21.28 profit. But Here's the most important thing. This is the most important metric that so many people miss. It is the ROI, which stands for return on investment. Essentially, that's how much we are able to grow our money by. So with a 106.45% ROI, that means that we're more than doubling our money. So not only do we get the $19.99 back when we sell it, we also make an additional profit of $21.28. So we're turning $19.99 into $41.27. So let me just show you how the fees and everything like that are broken down. So total costs is broken down in full here, and we can see how much Amazon would charge us to store the product in the fulfillment center, pick it, pack it, and ship it to the customer on our behalf. So Amazon's charging a referral fee of $8.17. That's their commission for utilizing the platform. Now, please bear in mind that we don't need to do any advertising. Amazon takes care of all of that for us, so no paid advertising. We literally just piggyback off of what already exists here. So $8.17 commission. We pay a closing fee of $1.80, a storage fee of just 10 cents. And then for the fulfillment, that's for Amazon to pick, pack, and ship it to our customer on our behalf, we're paying $3.15, which is a total fee amount of $13.22. And like I said, that's already been taken into account here. So this is the net profit. This is how much we'd actually make in profit after all those fees have been taken into account. There is quite a few sales happening on this particular product. Over the last 30 days, it sold 54 units. It sold 47 in April, 50 in March, 54 in February. Now, these are estimated sales, but they are, in my experience, a conservative estimate. And in fact, that these products tend to be selling more than what's being reported here. So that's what we do inside of step 4. We analyze the product, make sure it fits the bill. And then the next step, we go ahead and place the order. All right, now on to step 5. And that is where, like I was just saying, we actually go ahead and we place the order. So let's say, for example, we want to pick some of these up. We've decided they're a great purchase, which it certainly looks like they are. We're going to place the order, and we're actually going to have them delivered to a third-party prep center. With this model, it can be location independent. It can be done from anywhere in the world. So you might be based in Greece and looking to sell on Amazon US, where you can't very well be having products delivered to you in Greece and then sending them over to Amazon in the United States, because ultimately that's not going to work out very cost effectively for you. So what we do is we use a third-party prep center that we can get these products delivered to. They will prepare them for sale. And by prepare them for sale, what we have to do is we have to place a barcode. It's a sticker that goes over the existing barcode on the product packaging that will identify that product as belonging to you when it lands in Amazon's fulfillment centers. So this third-party prep center will receive the goods on your behalf. They'll prepare them for sale, forward them onto Amazon where they're stored until sold. So like I said, your part here is limited to the actual research of the product, the purchasing of it, and then everything after the fact is taken care of on your behalf. Amazon will market and advertise the products for you. They will pick, pack, and ship the products for you. They'll communicate with customers after the sale has happened on your behalf, so you don't have to get involved in any of that. And look, in the unlikely event that a customer decides that they don't want the product anymore, or they want to return it because they ordered it by mistake, Amazon handles all the returns for you, and the products will get put back into your inventory so that you can resell them at a later date. And then last of all, step 6 is that we simply make sales and rinse and repeat. Now in this step, you can do a number of different things. You can just continue to do exactly what we've just done, taking the profits and the proceeds from your sale and reinvesting them back into more profits. So if you start with $1,000 and you turn that into $1,200 after you sold your first lot of inventory, you reinvest that full $1,200, and then you can resell all of the products that you purchased with that, benefit from that compounding interest effect on your profits. The best thing is that as you continue to grow and scale your business, you can actually start outsourcing different elements beyond the actual prep, picking, packing, and shipping of your products to other people. Our business, we utilize virtual assistants who actually go and do the research portion for us. So at best, our involvement in the business is that we simply keep a finger on the pulse. We keep our eye on the ball, making sure everything's happening as it should be. But otherwise, we build a machine that works without our involvement. If you want to learn more about this model and how we can help you to implement everything that we just discussed and more, then my business partner, Stephen Summers, and I, we put together a 2-hour training session where we go deep into this. And like I said, explain how we can help you to implement all of this. If you're interested in having a watch of that, there'll be a link in the description section below. Go ahead, click the link, register for a session, and get into that training. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this in the future. We'll see you next time.